Hello friends, I'm Alize and today I'm gonna share a instant glow face mask with just 3 magical ingredients. This mask will give you glowing and radiant skin in just first application. Our first ingredient is gram flour. Gram flour helps in removing impurities and prevents breakouts or pimples by clearing the pores of your skin. Second ingredient is yogurt. Yogurt has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and soft. Third ingredient is potato juice. Potato juice is a natural whitening and bleaching agent containing potassium, fiber, vitamin B, magnesium and vitamin C. Now you just have to take 1 tablespoon of gram flour, half tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of potato juice. Mix them well and apply this paste all over your face and neck. Leave it for 10 minutes and apply a second layer on it. So when you feel it semi-dry, rinse it off with fresh water and apply any moisturizer on your face. You can use this mask twice a week. This mask will make your skin light, bright and flawless. I hope you like it. If you really did, subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching.